I wanted to record this video yesterday, and then I felt called to surrender, rest, hang in this energy. The message from yesterday was so powerful that I really needed to go through the entire process before being capable, authorized to be able to deliver it to you. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for your love, your light, and your support. You're so precious. You're just a diamond. You're about to do something that you felt impossible because you failed in another lifetime. You're going to... Someone has chills over there because I received the chills. You're literally going to achieve the miracle of your soul. You're going to jump. Take this leap of faith. Trust God to the core of your existence. 144 on the screen. You're so protected. You have been designed for this step. Your entire lifetime here on planet Earth, since your incarnation for this lifetime, you have been uncrafted for jumping this bridge that is presenting itself now in your life, and you're going to succeed. It's going to be a massive success. You failed because it could be a generational curse placed on your family, I'm hearing, but also because it was a wound that you had to go through in a previous past life, maybe the one just before this one. It was probably a wound of rejection or abandonment, but it could be injustice, humiliation, or betrayal. And due to that reason, you just stay stuck and it's not going to happen again. And it's bringing a lot of emotion because it's not happening at a random timeline. It's happening now, just before the equinox, just before the light to come back. I am very emotional delivering this message. It's probably the most powerful message I ever received. You're going to trust God, you're going to jump, and it's going to literally cost you to surrender regarding everything that ever happened to you. No matter how the wound was deep, God presented you a spectrum of misadventure, I'm hearing. And it's as if now everything you're seeing in front of you could, I'm hearing reminiscence. Trot here eri involved karingana esika traikio no wataikia. Ia taikirio no watraiasa. You're going to be facing basically all of your fears coming back to the surface, because you've been, or you will be presented an opportunity of love to move away, career opportunity, and it's going to scare the F out of you because it's going to awake some wounds. I got chills. and then your soul is going to be shaken, because you're going to know you're entering the core of the trauma finally. And what is going to take you is that leap to trust and surrender, because this time you're going to do it. You're not going to be paralyzed, I'm hearing, by your fears. You're going to recognize God's signature in this offer opportunity, and suddenly all of your fears are going to crumble into light. I'm feeling your pain right now. I know what you've been through, believe me. Calling upon Mary Magdalene, Kuan Yin, the violet flame, the rose flame, the golden ray, surrounding your heart space with the highest light, divine white light, for you to trust in this miracle that you are, and for you to witness God's mastery. I was preparing this session, looking for some of my decks, and then I was cleaning one of the decks that was not in order, and then I found this card that is not even from the deck, and it adds to the heavy emotion I was feeling, because I'm literally feeling God more than ever right now, and I'm praying for you to feel it as well. What could be more powerful than finding this card right now? And it says, our wings of light are surrounding you and your loved ones. The current situation is protected by highest forces. The forces of love are in motion. Everything is going to be okay. I'm seeing right away luck, and I'm seeing movement, and this is protected. What you're going to do is protected because it's smart, because you trust, because you're devoted to the Most High. You're going to experience what it is truly to be devoted to the Most High. I'm happy right now, and I love you, and I want you to experience this level of joy and peace I carry within. If you want to dig deeper, please check my website. I offer powerful codes, downloads, activation for your soul, especially if you're a light worker. I have a serious session to activate your soul mission for you to be able to monetize your gift, talents, and abilities. It's time. I love you. Be blessed for eternity. Namaste.